We're going to revisit here a blaster from HGOC. This is their M416, also M4 Wasp. It's the SKD M4 Wasp that we see all the time on Amazon. They sent me a new one because they said they made some tweaks for some more consistent performance. I wasn't aware of any issues with performance, but they said that they must have encountered a few at some point, so they wanted to tweak it and reintroduce it, as being a more consistent, better blaster now. So one thing you may remember with HGOC, with all their blasters, they tend to give away a lot of accessories, so we'll just kind of touch on those. We'll talk a little bit about the blaster briefly, but since I've shown it before, there's not a ton of new things to tell you. They give you lots of gel beads to start with. Each pack is 10,000 gel beads. If you don't know how to soak those properly and you're new to my channel, in the description of every video is a link to how to soak gel beads. Go ahead and watch it there and make sure that you soak them properly, otherwise it won't work. And if you run into problems with them not growing big enough, typically switching to distilled water or bottled water will take care of that issue. They also give you a little funnel even for your drum mag, so that's nice to be able to load it up, that little silicone funnel. Of course, you get the priming feature, so you're just going to pull back the charging handle to prime that drum mag when you fill it up. Otherwise, anytime you're pulling the trigger, guys, it's running that motor, so you don't need to consistently prime it while you're playing. For accessories, of course, they give you safety glasses, and then they love to give you lots of nice accessories, right? So you get the holographic here, the one that actually lights up and screws down, so the better one. Kind of a Surefire style flashlight right here. Again, it screws down and locks on. And then your red dot or laser as well, plus a little front grip, a flip-up sight for the end if you want to slide that on, and then some little sling points as well. So lots of accessories, lots of better quality accessories. And the biggest difference when you're buying these on Amazon, a lot of the blasters are identical. It's just going to be what accessories they come with are what's going to differentiate them. And then also some of the packaging. HGOC actually does invest in better packaging. It just makes it look a little nicer, a little more premium than coming to you in a plain brown box. You got the voltage meter on this one, so you can see it's at 8.3 because it's got a 7.4 volt battery in there. It tends to always read higher until you pull the trigger, and then that'll come back down into range. When you turn it to safety, turns that voltage meter off. All right, so that's a quick rundown on it. We'll shoot it again and we'll test FPS. I imagine we'll be exactly the same, around 150. That's what we've seen with all these SKD Wasp style blasters. But who knows, maybe we'll see something different this time. So check back for that demo. Of course, like, subscribe, comment, share my channel with your friends, and participate in all the monthly giveaways. Thanks for your support.